Kung hindi nyo alam, nasa Windels kami.
Hi guys!
Windels Alfresco Dining.
Today is June 12. Happy Independence Day, guys! It's already 7:30 p.m.
This is not sponsored.
Yes.
Windels ba naman?
I'm with my
Tatakbo sana kami ng
boyfriend.
10 km kaso umabot kami ng 45 kilometers papuntang Tanay. So,
I'm with
Kathleen.
And also, I'm with Mystery Pearson. Mystery Persons, guys. Sulaan nyo na lang. Bisaya na. Nag-order na rin kami kasi gutom na kami. Chika ko lang, kaninang umaga pa kaming nasa labas. Hanggang ngayon, nasa labas pa rin kami. Walang uwian na to. I'll show you guys later yung food na in-order namin. Actually, we're super duper hungry kasi we haven't had dinner.
Bakit had? Past tense yung had. Haven't eaten yet.
Guys, comment down below if anong tama.
Freedom Talk. Yung vlog na to, wala pang title.
Yung title niya, walang title.
Randomatics. So, hindi ko alam anong kakalabasan nito. Pero, hayaan na natin yung nag-edit.
So, ikwento mo kung ano nangyari.
Walang sense.
Kung ano nangyari.
Walang title to. Honesty, guys.
Hindi natin kaya tayo tubig.
Guys, bumili ako sapatos kaya di ko alam binili ko, pero binili ko.
What you think?
Pag na-prolong tong vlog, kawawa yung mag-edit. Deserve.
Ang hirap pa naman mag-edit. Pero ginusto ko to, guys. So, go lang.
Pag nakita nyo tong vlog na to, tas lang subtitles, tinamad yung mag-edit. Yan lang masasabi ko. Hindi mo ko tatanungin ng mga ganyan, ha? Alam mo na, I'm the law. I'm the master.
What is your motto na lang in life?
Motto! Depende. Depende sa sitwasyon, eh. Na yan, kakalabas na yan, adik, eh.
Food is already here. Oh my gosh. We're so hungry. So we're gonna eat na. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Pauwi na kami. Ay. Hi guys, good evening. I have an interview at 2 p.m. So this is in Think Self-Care. Nag-apply lang kasi ako kahapon sa LinkedIn. Nakita ko to. Tapos nang-email sila if I am available by 8 p.m. tonight. Actually, this company, graveyard shift siya. So we'll see. Pero at least, di ba, my experience on that in my interview. And it's already 7:30 p.m. Naghihintay lang ako mag 8 p.m. kasi fully mag-start kami 8 p.m. para matapos kami mga 9 or 9:30. Just a quick update. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami mag-meet or mag-interview. Microsoft Teams din gamit nila. Mamaya papasok tayo mga 7:40, 20 minutes before yung interview. Honestly speaking, guys, wala pa talaga akong practice. Sinarge ko na rin yung laptop para if in case, diba, hindi tayo malupad while in-interview. Tayo ko din kayo isama. What I'm feeling right now, hindi pa naman kinakabahan. Pero for sure, mamaya kakabahan. Pero I feel like that's totally normal. We're the ones. I know for sure, introduce yourself. Sige, practice na tayo ng introduction. Hi, good evening. I'm Joel. I recently worked as an admin and facility specialist, and I'm a quick learner, adaptable, and I'm excited for the opportunity to work with the team. Guys, tinurn off ko muna yung camera. Tapos wala pa din naman. Open ko naman mamaya once nandiyan na. I'm ready to go. For team, may kasama ang interview. So, ready siya mag-email mamaya sa interview. Let's hope not. 8 minutes, guys. Tapos na yung interview. Sorry, hindi ko lang nasama kasi yung mic niya hindi gumagana. I don't know why. Pero at least, ayun, tapos tayo. Nag-download na lang ako dito sa phone ng MS Teams para din kayo mag-usap. Then sabi lang, may magme-message na lang daw sa akin na TA if ever papasok ako sa round 2 ng interview. Hey guys, and good morning. Today is June 15. It's already 9 a.m. And of course, it's Father's Day and we're going out. But first, mag-church muna kami bago kami kumain sa labas. Mom, you say something. I'm vlogging.
Hi!
Welcome to...
Estancia de Lorenzo. Ang problem lang ay
Ang init.
daming tao. Kaya kahit may reservation ka, stay mo na rito. Mag-wait lang daw muna tayo. Timber lang yun? Hindi.
Kasali ka naman sa vlog ko, be. Galing.
Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day! Come here!
Happy Father's Day.
Dito na kami sa loob ng restaurant. Sobrang daming tao, guys. As in, guys, jam-packed. Well, gets naman kasi nga Father's Day. And then, nag-order naman na kami. Darating siya mga 20 to 30 minutes daw. As you can see, naglalaro si Papa. Everyone's hungry kasi wala pa kaming lunch.
We're going upstairs. Hi ka pa.
Hi! Ito kami. Kakain na naman. Father's Day ngayon. Ginagawa pa rin. Pinapalupot pa rin. Tama na, Will.
Want to remind you that tomorrow is another day to slay the day. Bye! See you on my next vlog.